Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Of course, who is the Ram Man? I have to forget, you know, there's about 500 to 700 people a day that watch my videos. And even though I'm a legend in my own time, some people don't know who I am. There's when we started off years ago. You got lock and hub business. So what do we have here? We've got a tandem Bendix Hemi unit for 70 body. This Hemi unit is one of the nicest ones that have been set in a long, long time. I've been doing a series on this. This unit's from Wes and Wax. This is a beautiful, obviously this is a first-rate resto shop. I mean, these people are not monkeying around, short-changing, shade tree. They sent me the entire unit as asked so that I could check everything, check for all the missing parts, and even though they do have most everything, they're missing a few parts. What happens on these Hemi brackets a lot is this is a metal on metal, and these Hemi brackets will freeze up. They will actually weld themselves over time right there. And we've had some where we couldn't even get the pins out. Big old square pin, we couldn't even get it out with the torch. Yep, they've gotten at it. So his bracket's really good shape. He was missing the original foam filter that goes on the back of the booster, which they deteriorate over time. But anyway, this is an exceptional unit. So there's his brackets. Here's the master cylinder for the car. We went all through it. You can see that he sleeved it, and it has all new guts inside. It's a beautiful 222-9191, if you guys can see that. Bolt holds the guts in right there. It's a beautiful unit, of course. Brand new spanking NOS gasket. Top that bad boy off. And of course they've got the correct lid with the correct inscription. J1703 started being used in 1969. 69, 70, and 71. This is the correct lid. 70R3 is the 66, 67, and 68. So we got this booster out here. We've got everything cleaned up. We're getting ready to put it together. We've got blasted metal plates. We have all the small parts we have here. Our booster small parts have come out of the blaster. The all important parts. BH Hemi rod, push rod. So these have all come out of the blaster, which you really need to have to do boosters. So we've got all the parts clean. We can see we've got our new replacement seals sitting right here. As we can see, we've got our two new diaphragms. They're a little different. Great big heavy duty things. Going on there. Going on there. Here we have the rear case. We've installed a new seal there. We have this big old bakelite center plate. Got a little wear and tear on him, but he'll be alright. We've replaced the center plate seal here and greased it. And this is the old center plate seal. Goes right there. Rear hub seal. So this is all the old parts. Front seal, poppet valve, see right there. So there we go. So now all we need to do, and of course we've got our big return spring and our all important rear hub, which is the brains of everything. Directs the vacuum where it needs to go. Now, so we've talked about this Hemi E-body booster on this beautiful car. And then we run into the front nose cone. And so this one, not all of them have this. This is for information, but he's still got his little Chrysler logo, and some of them have 18268. That's just a Bendix number. And then some of them on this one, some of them have a real light stamping at the top, but most of them don't. But anyway, you can see this nose cone. So it got a little dent in there somehow, and they put some filler in there. And since this is top notch all the way, I'm going to go ahead and do what I normally don't do. And I'm going to take it upon myself to try to straighten that out and make it a little better and get this thing together. So it'll be one of the best museum pieces that there is. Be absolutely beautiful. And of course the inside of the can blasted out nice. There's not too much there. So here we go, my friends. So not very many people. I don't think there's ever anybody that made a video of what's inside a tandem Bendix booster. You need a bead blaster, running metal shot. You need a booster stand. You need to have the knowledge on how to get it apart. You need to have the parts. You need to know how to get them, because you can't get them no more unless you've been making them since the 80s, because your uncle had them made. But anyway, if you want a first-class rebuild on your brake components, if it's got anything to do with Ma Mopar or Uncle Ford, then we can do it, and we can help you out. And I'll get this together for them and get it out. I apologize for taking a little bit normal, but we did have a problem. Mold went down on one of these, and they had to fix it and get them pushed back out. Okay, God bless you. God bless America, and happy Mopar. Bye.